Make this patriotic wall hanging with just a few simple supplies. Let me show you how. For this project, you will need 12 jumbo craft sticks, 12 regular size craft sticks, red, white, and blue acrylic paint, wax paper, a paintbrush, Mod Podge, craft glue or wood glue, glitter, and glitter glue. The first step is to paint the sticks. So we're going to paint 6 of the jumbo sticks blue, and then we're going to do 6 of them red, and then you want to do 12 of your regular size craft sticks white. So I like to do 2 coats just to make sure that I get everything. Make sure that you get the edges. You don't have to get the back, but the edges will show. Once everything is dry, you're going to want to do a layer of Mod Podge to seal it if you would like. If you have a spray sealant you can use afterwards, that would work as well. Once I've got all of my sticks painted and sealed, if I'm going to do that, and they're all dry, we're ready to go. So the first thing we're going to do is arrange our blue sticks in a circle evenly, not overlapping, but just touching each other in the middle, like so, and take a minute to get them perfectly even and just touching on the edges there. We're going to glue each red stick in between 2 of the blue ones, like so. So you want to use a generous amount of craft or wood glue for this part. Then stick the red craft sticks into place. These are also just going to touch right on the edges. Okay, now before the glue completely dries, you can rearrange things to make sure that everything's even. Now we're going to glue on the white sticks. So I'm going to do them on all the red ones first, just to make sure I get the same distance from the end of the sticks. Now I'm going to glue the white craft sticks on the blue, and they're going to come up, as you can see, just a little further than the sticks on the red. So this is the basic structure of your wall hanging, and now it's up to you how you want to decorate it. I'm going to use a combination of glitter glue. I've got this silver for the white sticks, and then I've got some red and blue larger glitter that I'm going to do on the ends of the larger sticks. But it's completely up to you how you want to do this and maybe what supplies you have on hand. So I'm just going to do a line of glitter glue up each one of the white sticks. I'm going to add some of the blue glitter to the ends of the red sticks and do the opposite with the blue sticks and the red glitter. When the glue is completely dry, you can shake off the glitter. And your wall hanging is ready. To hang it on your wall, you can do a couple different things. You can thread a ribbon through the middle and hang it like that, or you can do what I'm going to do and take some double stick mounting tape and just stick it a few places on the back and stick it on my wall. Please subscribe to my channel for more great craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.